Hello! In this video we're going to look at using heading styles in Google Docs. Firstly, why use heading styles? They're really useful to make sure you use consistent formatting throughout your assignments. This is important because differences in text size or font, for example, can lose you marks of presentation. They also let you use the outline to quickly jump to sections, which is really helpful for while you're writing. And you can use them to easily create a table of contents for longer projects and dissertations. There's a level system to heading styles, which you need to use appropriately. Use the title style for the title of your assignment. There should only be one title in your document. Heading 1 is for section headings, for example, introduction or results. Heading 2 is for subsections within these, for example, the results section might have a participant subsection. If you have subsections within these, use heading 3 and so on, but it's unlikely you'll need these. Use normal text for the body text. Let's look at how to add heading styles to this example document. So, styles are accessed through the menu above your text next to the name of the font. By default, all text starts as normal text, so this is what you'll see. To add a heading style, highlight the text you want to change and click the Styles button. This will open the Heading Styles menu. All you need to do is click the style you want to apply to the selected text. So here we have Introduction, which is a section header, so let's make that heading 1. Let's do Literature Review as well. You can change the font, text size and other formatting if you don't like the default format for the heading. The easiest way to do this is to change a heading to the format you want. For example, I want heading 1 to be bold. Then right-click on the heading and click Update Heading to Match. So you can see now that the Literature Review heading has changed to bold. All new heading ones will also have the same format, so method is now bold too. So here you can see the document with all the heading styles added. So we've used title for the title, we've used heading 1 for the section headers, and for subsection headers, for example participants, we've used heading 2. If you use heading styles, you can use the outline to navigate the document, which is really useful when you're writing. To open the outline, click on the page icon in the left-hand side of the document under the menu. You'll now be able to see all of the headings in your document. To jump to a section, just click on it. Let's go to Quantitative Findings. Ta-da, there we are. To close this, just click the arrow button here. So finally, you can use heading styles to easily create a table of contents containing the sections of your documents. To do this, put the cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Click Insert, then scroll down to Table of Contents. You want the Table of Contents with page numbers option. And ta-da! Here we go, we have our table of contents. When you download this as a PDF for submission, this table of contents also lets the reader click through to different sections, so it's really useful for the marker as well. If you add or change a heading, or if you add more text and it changes the page numbers, you can automatically update the table of contents. Do this by clicking somewhere on the table of contents and then click the refresh button that appears, so you can see this has updated. So now you're all ready to get started with heading styles in your documents.